Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Chevy Dude here, Bachman Chevrolet in Louisville, Kentucky. As you know, I am always trying to up my game in the sound quality, and I just recently had an entire video that was just absolutely horrid, and I apologize for that. I'm always tinkering, I'm always doing stuff, I'm always doing things, and that video actually taught me some things that I want to relay to you as a viewer. That the fact of it is I brought down the volume on using my G7X camera, and you guys said you couldn't hear me, so I'm not going to mess with sound as much anymore because I'm doing it on my MacBook, as you can kind of see right here. And when I'm listening to that through here, these cameras project, or these videos project, as you're giving me the bird behind the thing. These speakers project just a little bit of sound, so when you listen to headphones, I get that. So I want to try to change the microphone on this so I don't get so much wind noise, because when it's windy outside, I kind of sound like this right here. As you can see with the American flag behind me, it's pretty windy here in Louisville. So the bad thing about the G7X is it just simply doesn't have an output for a microphone. So I can't put a Rode microphone on or something with a big dead cat or whatnot. So I bought a couple things on Amazon, and I'm gonna go back in and show you what I'm gonna do to try to alleviate the wind issue that you're hearing right now on the camera. Being in the automotive world, I always have things at my disposal. So I'm gonna be using just a couple pieces of 3M automotive acrylic double-sided tape. So now I'm going to have the link in the description below, and this stuff is kind of expensive. It's about 35 bucks on Amazon, but it's the best stuff that it is. I'm using the half-inch version because it's a little bit cheaper, and the 03862 is the number on it. So hit that link down there below, and I'll show you how I'm going to do this here right now. So you can see this all over YouTube. People are talking about it all the time, but I'm going to kind of show you what I'm doing. So you got the microphone right here. So I'm going to put one piece of double-sided tape right on the edge of those. Of course, I just got over the hole. Right on the edge of the hole there, you can see that right there. So press that down really, really good. I'm gonna put this other piece right on the other side of the holes as well. And this stuff will stick on there pretty well. It's not gonna come off, so be careful with it. This acrylic stuff really holds well, which is why I'm using it, which is why I'm glad I'm in the automotive industry and have access to this. But you can see that right there, how that is going on. So then I got these guys here. This came in a pack of 5. Again, it'll be in the description link below from Amazon, and I'm literally just gonna stick this on right here.
One hour later.
So now that I got that red tape off, the little wind muffs, the little baby dead cats, if you want to call them that, there's a little hole down here. So I'm going to put that, actually you can see I'm holding onto that now, but I'm going to put that on the downside, and you can see that covers up that really well. So I'm going to make sure this is on good and tight. It's not going to come off. See, it's holding on there pretty good. It does really good. Then let's go out and try it out, and I'll show you how I sound. Now, as you can see behind me, we're still windy. The flag is still in the same spot. I'm in the same spot, standing in the same exact direction. I'll do a little bit of rotation here, really slowly, not to make you dizzy. Just kidding, I'll go slow now. So, as you can see, I'm kind of trying to hit into the wind so the wind comes across the camera and all that stuff. So that way you can see that it's done a really good job, and I can see my little dead cat. It's blowing pretty good, and so should sound pretty good on your end too. And that's one quick easy fix for just a couple bucks to change the camera around. Hey, thanks again for watching my video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications, smash that thumbs up button. Don't break your computer or your phone, and check out my next videos. I'll look forward to seeing you on the next one. Have a great day and drive safely.